I not still fine like that? There's no use. Guys, good morning. It's currently raining now, and this was the time there. It's what? Okay, so it's 8:10 now, and today's going to be a vlog day. I'm already excited about it. I'm going with my best friend and my sister, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and showing you places that we'll be stopping by. So I'm just going to get ready and dress up. It is raining and it is heavy. Okay, so let's go and have fun. This is going to be my first vlog, by the way, and I'm already excited. I don't know what to expect, but I don't know how this vlogging thing goes, but I'm going to try, and let's see how it goes actually. This is me looking for an outfit to wear. I wanted something really nice and pretty. And I wanted something free as well, but I couldn't find anything. I just gave up and went to brush my teeth, had my bath. I looked for something in the wardrobe. The first thing I saw was what I put on my body, and then I just had to do the necessary things as well. Okay, so I'm ready and I'm about to leave now. This is how I'm currently looking. I don't know, you guys can't see my outfit, but I'm going to be showing my outfit when I can. And I'm on my way to Aja, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So let's go. It's currently raining now though, but let's just see.
A few moments later.
Our first stop was the first hotel. I can't remember the name, but I didn't like the way the environment was looking like. It wasn't what I wanted at all. But since we were already there, we just had to stop by. We were convinced actually to just stop by and check it out, but I didn't like it at all. Red lights off, red flag. At this point, I was feeling really sleepy as well as everyone else. I just wanted to lie down and sleep. But we had to stop at the supermarket to get a couple of things before we go to the second hotel that we had in mind. We left the supermarket immediately we were done to head to our second location, which was the second hotel we had in mind. And this hotel is lovely. I'm going to be putting it up. I'm going to be putting the name up just in case. It was giving everything it was supposed to give. I loved the building. It was so beautiful. I loved every single thing about it. The first hotel wasn't as clean and fine as this was. So once we got inside already, and we had made up our mind already that we were going to be taking this one. But first of all, we had to see what the hotel rooms looks like. I mean, a place can be this beautiful and the rooms might not be as pretty as it's looking. So we had to check it out to see how everything was looking like. It was nice. I loved the painting. I loved the fact that the painting was white. and it was just okay. I just loved it. I loved everything about it. And then I love the bathroom as well, and not to mention it was really neat. I love the fact that the rooms were neat. I love that there was no stains on the wall. The bathroom was okay. It was clean as well. Took us to the second room and showed us, just in case we weren't pleased with the first one that we saw, but I didn't like the wallpaper that was there, so we just went ahead and picked the first one, and then he showed us around.
Can we use the pool? Or can we use the pool? We can. Okay. But we don't.
You sounded very disappointed.
We didn't bring that.
You can tell from my dance that I was really excited to have settled in. I was really hungry and tired, so I couldn't wait to just get on that bed, pull off my clothes and just sleep before anybody tells me, oh, dress up, we're going somewhere else. But yeah, this was
I
fun.
don't like that one. Don't say that. I want to chill. Don't let me find my camera. What are you doing that? It's not long for the picture of this. I'm subscribed to like yesterday. I'm not doing that.
I go there for you.
Show when I was like to give you food, you know, when you go out to that food like why do you not answer? You don't serious and still. I don't want to now. We have asked, you are not bored enough. Just bored enough.
Say it loud, say it proud. You want it more?
It was true. Why?
A few moments later.
We were resting for a bit. Our next stop was the beach. I can't even remember the last time I went to the beach, Steph. But I didn't want to have to change when I got there, so I just wore something really simple, and this is what I'm looking like.
Why you do like that?
Finally arrived at the beach after a long drive. This beach is big. God, it is really big. It is lovely. You won't see a lot of people there. I just love the surrounding. It is really colorful. Just in case you're looking for a calm, quiet place, this is where you need to be. Is it just me, or this water is not showing? Nothing. Yes. It's not my decision. I might not still find like that. There's no use. And I wanted to discover it was a thing, baby. I've never really stayed out this late at the beach before. This was my first time and I enjoyed it. I really love late night beach than the regular morning afternoon beach. And I love the fact that the beach was really big. It was quite big. So when we left, we had to source for food to eat because we were really hungry.
Me, I want food, I don't want shawarma. I'll eat shawarma.
First place we went to was quite expensive, so we later found where to get food at a lower price. So we just ordered and left. We didn't eat in there because we were so tired.
One portion is 1 spoon. Yes, but make it hot, then you have 2 spoons. I get it.
This is the following day at the hotel. This is what the lounge looked like. I didn't see the lounge at all, and this was my first time of stepping in this morning. So I was really tired yesterday. That was why I wasn't able to video it or even see it at all. But they had a photo shoot session at the other side. The lounge is quite big actually. They showed us this swimming pool when we came in yesterday, but we did not bring along a swimsuit, so we didn't even make use of it. Plus we came back really late yesterday from the beach, so we could not use it at all. We had no time because we were really tired and it was quite late. So we just stayed back to take a few pictures before leaving. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.